very serious cleaning here, because this is the city center. What I see doesn't impress me.
Oh, it's too short.
What do you think, guys? Look at this. Bloemfontein, guys, what do you think of this city, guys? There's a lot of improvements that is needed here, guys. And what I'm seeing here is not for real. It's sad. I'm totally disappointed. It takes all my energy away. This city looks like Johannesburg. Looks like Joburg. I don't even know how people do business here, just next to the trash like that. I don't know what the city is thinking of this trash that is around. You can look at it, Bloemfontein. Oh, guys. Huh. But other than that, there is vibe. There is vibe in this city, guys. There is so much vibe. Beautiful people here. I mean beautiful people, I mean good people. From the heart, I think. I need to go around to see them. See, those are the taxis that I've been just telling you, the smaller ones, the smaller cars. The 30 people just like that. That's what they do. Those are the type of their, you know, those are not a private taxi because it takes up almost more people until it fills up. It just goes on just like that, beeping the that sound, you know, to get more customers. Look at that. That's what they are doing. They're just ferrying people. These people, they're looking for people to carry. It's not like an Uber. As you can see, they are really quite old cars actually. There is a railway. This is a railway station over there. Let me just show you that side. Oh, that police is just passing now. Over this side here. That's a railway station over there. The trains. These taxi drivers, I don't know how they drive. So it's early in the morning, as you can see, people just getting boarding some taxis here. And I'm walking so fast. Looks like I'm doing the whole city at once. Getting in the corner. We need to go down. Need to go to another street. Let's do this street now. So guys, this is Bloemfontein. I'm gonna try my best to show you the real Bloemfontein streets as they are. Walk with me. So this side, it's almost the same thing is happening to that other side, as you can see. It's cooking and everything else. I don't know what that building is there. It looks old. Buildings around here in the city, they look old. And around here, unmaintained. Honest, I was expecting the better. I was expecting much better. And I'm honestly disappointed. Let's go this way. Oh my God. Bloemfontein. Oh, you embarrassed me, guys. This is an embarrassment. Taking all my energy down. You embarrassed me, guys. But other than that, guys, Bloemfontein is a vibrant city. A lot of vibes here. Plenty. Then thing is only this dirty. Oh my God. Oh my God. What's wrong with Bloemfontein? Guys, I regret coming here. The streets are dirty. Everything is dirty. So this is that's Charlotte. Is it Charlotte Maxet? Where is it? Yeah, Charlotte. This Charlotte Street. That's the one that we're looking. Hello, sister. How are you? Why is your city so dirty like this? Why is your city so dirty like this?
What?
I mean, why is your city so dirty like this? Why are they not cleaning these people? Hey, yeah. Do you notice that? Or you're used to that? Yes. I'm embarrassed. I came here to show people Bloemfontein, but now what I see around, I don't know. I don't know what to show them. Look. Check. Right there. Huh? That's sad, eh? Alright, you might check on my channel. I'm Walk Africa on YouTube. Walk Africa. You take care. Right. Guys, I'm embarrassed. I need to go up here. I'm embarrassed. Let's just check. Maybe this side is better. Maybe it's that other side that is so sad. I don't know. But okay, this side looks much better. Here looks much more better. Let's see. So guys, I'm just trying to cover up the whole city, maybe in a lesser period, in a lesser time. I would have done street by street once in a time, but my time is limited here, very limited. So going up there, things shows to be improving, and it's actually out of the central part of the city. So it is the central part that we've been doing nothing. It is the central part that doesn't look okay at all. But if you go to this other side of the city, like here, it's not looking that bad. But you know, starting from these positions going down there, but you want to see more? Let's not judge the book with this cover. Let's just go and see more. It's early in the morning, guys. It's just past 7 to 8 o'clock now. This is Bloemfontein for you guys, right here in the Free State, South Africa. We need to go into that park, and then we'll cross back here. That we would have done this whole part. So let's just go straight. First of all, this is Charlotte Macrage Street. Is it Macrage Street? Going down. So there is a park here, amazing park, as you can see. And there is a jet somewhere here. Nice. It's an amazing park. There is a toilet as well. Right, I think I could do with it. Let me just try to check and see what type of toilets that they do have. Yeah, bo. Thank you, ma'am. Okay. Okay, how much? 2 rand. 2 rand. All right. Yeah.